This video will explain how to create quantity receipts with returns. A quantity receipt indicates that goods have been received, returned, or canceled. When you need to return an item, you will create a quantity receipt for the return. To access quantity receipts, first search for a purchase order by clicking on Document Search. Enter the purchase order number in the search box. Click Go. Click on the PO number to open the purchase order. And under Available Actions, click. Select Create Quantity Receipt. Then click Go. The receipt will automatically populate with information from the PO, including any previous receipts for this PO. But to view complete details, click Show Receipt Details. For any items you are not including on this receipt, click the Remove Line action to remove the item from the receipt. Then, for the items you'd like to only return, that is, those you've received in the past on a previous receipt and are only returning now, change the line status to Returned, indicate the number you're returning, and then choose the reason for the return in the Returned For dropdown. Alternatively, for items you need to both receive and return, click Receive and Return from the Action column. This creates an additional line for the item order, one for receiving and one for returning. In the quantity field for receiving the items, enter the number of items received. For the return line, enter the number of items you're returning, and it may or may not be the same number you received. Then click on the Return For dropdown and select the reason for the return. As before, add any additional information such as packing slip number or carrier tracking information or attachments and notes. Then update the merchandise received date to be the date the goods were received. Click Save Updates to save changes and check if there are any errors, and when there are no errors, click Complete when the receipt is finished. The receipt number displays on the screen.